It's Friday morning, so let's do some inventory on what I'm cooking for Shabbos
Nothing.
in Seattle.
Nothing.
I'm not making anything. It's just like how I like to start my video when I do inventory on everything I'm cooking. But what are you making, Dad?
Right now I'm making
Tofu.
fried tofu for my granddaughter who loves it.
Isn't that so funny? She's how old is she?
She's, what, 7 now?
7 years old. She's a type 1 diabetic like me and Zach, and she loves fried tofu. What else are you making today, Dad?
I'm making lamb shoulder.
Mm-hmm.
I'm barbecuing some steaks. Making
Cholent?
cholent.
Yeah.
Lots of stuff.
Lots of stuff. And I'm going to watch as he cooks. I'm here this weekend for a cookbook event, and I'm just going to hang out.